Hello everyone. Today let us continue chapter 6, class 6, chapter number 3, playing with numbers, exercise 3.7, 8th problem. As we have solved 7th problem in the earlier video, let us move on to 8th problem. Find the least number which, when divided by 6, 15 and 18, leave remainder 5 in each case. That means we should find a number which should leave remainder 5 when it is divided by 6, 15 and 18. First let us find out LCM of 6, 15 and 18. 6, 15, 18. As you can see, this is an odd number and these two are even numbers. So you can go for 3 or 2, both. Let me take 3. 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 3 6s are. Again 3, 2 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 2s are. Now go for 2. 2 1s are, 5s are, 1s are. Again 5 1s are, 1s are, 1s are. Let me repeat it. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Again go for 3, 2 as it is and 5 as it is because you cannot divide these two. 3 2s are 6. Now go for 2, 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Now only remaining is 5, 5 1s are and 1s are. These are the factors. Now let me multiply the factors. LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. 3 3s are 9 into 2 5s are 10 gives you 90. So the number LCM is 90. And here the number asked is the remainder should be 5. That means LCM plus 5, that is 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Therefore 95 is the number which leaves remainder when divided by 6, 15 and 18. Because if you divide 95 by 6, it will not divide completely. It remains the remainder will be 5. If you divide 15 by 95 also, 5 will be the remainder. If you divide 95 by 18 also, 5 will be the remainder. Now let us move on to the next problem, that is find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Here we should find out the smallest 4-digit number. First let me find out the LCM of 18, 24 and 32. As you can see, all the three are even numbers. You can go for 2 or 3, not 3, 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains 12, 2 16s are 32. Now you can go for again 2, 9 as it is because you cannot divide, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, again 2 9 as it is, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, again 2 9 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 2s are. Now go for 2 again, 9 as it is, 3 as it is, 1s are. Now go for 3, 3s are, 1s are, 1s are. Now again 3, 1s are, 1s are, 1s are. Now multiply these factors. This LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 1 more 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have 7 factors. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now let me write 2 2s are 4 into 2 2s are 4 into 2 3s are 6 into 3. 4 4s are 16 into 6 3s are 18, or you can directly take 6 into 3. 6 6 are 96. Sorry, 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. 96 into 3. 6 3s are 18, carry 1. 9 3s are 27 plus 1, 28. So 288 is the LCM. But as per we want the smallest 4-digit number. That means we should write the multiples of 288. 288 into 1s are 288. 288 into 2s are 8 2s are 16, carry 1. 8 2s are 16, carry 1, 17. 2 2s are 4, 1, 5. 576. 288 into 3 is 8 3s are 24, carry 2. 3 8s are 24 plus 2, 26. 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. This is also a 3-digit number, but the requirement is 4-digit number. 288 into 4. 4 8s are 32, carry 3. 4 8s are 32 plus 3, 35, carry 3. 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. So let me stop the list of multiples here. Therefore 1152 is the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So I do repeat once. First take the LCM of 18, 24 and 32. As per the division method, when if you divide the number, if you take the LCM will be 288. Now write the multiples of 288. 288 ones are 288, 2s are 576, 288 3s are 864, 288 4s are 1152. So the requirement of our problem is smallest 4-digit number. So 1152 is the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Now let us move on to the 10th bit. Find the LCM of the following numbers. So here the following numbers are given. We should find out the LCM first. 9 and 4. To find the LCM of 9 and 4, first write the numbers 9 and 4. As you can see, one is even, one is odd. You can take any number. 2, 9 as it is 2s are 2, 9 as it is 1s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are 1. So therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. 36 is the LCM of the number, the given numbers. Now 12 and 5. LCM of 12 and 5. Same again. 2 6 are 5 as it is, 2 3s are 5 as it is, 3 1s are 5 as it is, 5 1s are. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3 5s are 15 gives you 60. Therefore LCM is equal to 60. Now same here again. C1 LCM of 6 and 5. LCM of 6 and 5 is equal to 6 5. 2 3s are 5 as it is, 3 1s are 5 as it is, 5 1s are 1. So LCM is equal to, multiply the factors. 2 into 3 into 5 gives you 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Therefore LCM is equal to 30. Now LCM, next one D1, LCM of 15 and 4. Three 5s are 4 as it is, 5 1s are 4 as it is, 2 2s are 2 1s. Therefore, LCM is equal to 3 into 5 into 2 into 2. 3 5s are 15, 15, 2 into 2 is 4, 15 into 4 is equal to 60. LCM is equal to 60. So, when you observe these 4 problems, A1, 9 and 4, 9 4s are 36, that means the LCM is the product of 2 numbers. Here also same, 12 and 5, LCM is 60. Here also LCM is product of the given 2 numbers. And here 6 and 5, 30. The product of 6 and 5 is 30 and LCM is also 30. And in D problem, 15 and 4, LCM of 15 and 4 is also 60. Product is also 60. Therefore, by observation, we can say that LCM is equal to product of given numbers. Product of 2 given numbers. By observation, we can say that LCM is equal to product of 2 given numbers in this example. Now let us move on to the last problem of the exercise. Find the LCM of the following number in which one number is the factor of the other. Here we should find out the LCM of the number where one number is factor of other. That means, as you can see here, 5 is factor of 20. We should find out the LCM and just see LCM of 5, and 20. So 5 and 20 LCM if you take 5 1s are 4s are 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Now again go for any even number. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 1s. For LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 2, that is 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Now next 6 and 18. 6 and 18 are the two given numbers where 6 is factor of 18. Now let me find out LCM of 6 and 18. 6, 18, go for 2 or 3, any numbers. 2 3s are 2 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 1. LCM is equal to, multiply the factors, 2 into 3 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Therefore, LCM is equal to 18. Right? LCM is equal to 20. Now same C1, 12 and 48 are given. As you can see, 12 is the factor of 48. LCM of 12 and 48. Find out the LCM of 12, 48. 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 2 4s are 2, 24s are 48. 2 3s are 2 12s are. Now go for 3, 3 1s are 4s are, again 2 1s are 2s are, 2 1s are 1s are. So let me write LCM is equal to, multiply the factors, 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 into 6 into 2 gives you 4 6 are 24 into 2 is equal to 48. So LCM is equal to 48. Now D1, 9 and 45. Here also 9 is factor of 45. Let me see LCM. LCM of 9 and 45. 3 3s are 3, 15s are, 3 1s are 5s are, 5 1s are 1s. Therefore, LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 5, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. As you can see, in all the problems, the LCM is the second number or the greater number. 5 and 20, LCM is 20. 6 and 18, LCM is 18. 12 and 48, 48 is the LCM. 9 and 45, 45 is the LCM. Therefore, by observation we can say that, by observation, if a number is a factor of another number, if a number is factor of another number, that LCM will be equal to greatest number, greatest of the numbers. Here, by observation, if a number is factor of another number, their LCM will be equal to greatest of the numbers. That means, in given two numbers, if one is factor of another number, their LCM will be equal to the greatest number in each case. As you can see, 5 and 20, 20 is the LCM, 6 and 18, 18 is the LCM, 12 and 48, 48 is the LCM, 9 and 45, 45 is the LCM. So let me stop here. This is the end of the video of third chapter. Here the third chapter ends. Let us move on to the next chapter in our next session.